welcome back to another video. I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going grocery shopping, and then I'm going to come home, get some of this house clean, and then maybe play with Ezra. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just gonna kind of take you along with me on my day today, and first stop is Aldi. I'm at a stoplight right now, but I had to share this snack that I'm having. It is so good. Nature's Bakery oatmeal crumble in the apple flavor. Oh my gosh, it's delicious, and it is plant-based. It is dairy-free, soy-free. This stuff is awesome. Getting green bananas because the bananas here actually go bad pretty fast. So if you get green, you get a few days longer to use them. This coconut chia granola cereal is the bomb. This General Tao chicken is a great weeknight dinner option if you're in a rush. A successful trip to Aldi. I got everything that I needed there. So now I'm gonna go to Publix really quick, and really I'm just there to get a couple of like dairy-free desserts and a meat. So let's go to Publix. I am not getting these today, but these fudgy brownie from Sweet Lauren's, these cookies are incredible, and actually the chocolate chip cookies are really good too. But I'm actually here, and they're dairy-free, so that's why I'm shouting that out. As you guys know, I'm dairy-free and mostly soy-free for my little guy. I'm still breastfeeding, so I'm gonna grab this coconut yogurt alternative by So Delicious. It is literally so delicious, dairy-free, so I can kind of get my yogurt fix with that. We've got so many good options. Here, these are really good too by We. So good, but kind of expensive. So let's go ahead and go over to get the meat. Okay, not dairy-free or soy-free. I'm just jealous that I can't have them right now. I love the meat here at Publix, and I like to get like stuff like this, like New York steak strip on sale, $8.99 a pound right now. And like this is something that I could eat like really small, and then I'll get this for my husband, and like it's pretty good price for that. I am back home. Thought I'd show you kind of an overview of what I got at Aldi and at Publix. I didn't get much at Publix, but Aldi I got some fruit, some grapes, apples. We got really green bananas because like I said, their bananas, they go bad fast. So it's better to get green ones. And I know I've got, oh yeah, strawberries here. Then we got some yogurt for my husband, whole milk for his coffee machine, and then oat milk for me. Then we have vegetables. So we got some radishes here, and then we have some carrots, asparagus. We've got mixed greens, cucumber. I'm going to be making some avocado, some guacamole. So I have some chips, and these are dairy-free, so I can have those. Tomatoes, did I say that? Oh, peanuts. I'm going to try to do a dessert with this. I will let you guys know if it turns out well. We got some cereal. And then when I was at Publix, I got, like you saw, I got the 2 meats and this yogurt alternative. So that's kind of an overview of what I got. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it away. little outfit of the day for grocery shopping. I feel very like a sporty mom, and I am zero sporty, but I feel like I look like it today. Wow. We kicking? Yeah, while mama pumps. Yeah. Look guys, he got a little scratch on his face. So sad. He scratched himself while he was sleeping, and I keep his nails super short, but an edge just must have nicked him. Yeah. This is only the third scratch you've ever gotten in your whole entire life. But you're still so cute. You gonna kick? Go ahead. Kick. Yeah, there you go. Mr. Remington. Hi, Bubba. And hello, Ezra. How are you? Are you just swinging in your swing? Just relaxing? Okay, enjoy. Okay, so I am making a little dessert that I saw on Pinterest, and it's supposed to be kind of like a healthy version of a Snickers, I guess. So I just took a pitted date, and then I took peanut butter, I put it in the date, and then I put some peanuts on top of it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and melt some dark chocolate. These are dairy-free from the Enjoy Life brand, and I'm going to drizzle it on there, and then some of them I'm gonna like dunk in the chocolate. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a few minutes until it hardens, and then that's going to supposedly taste like a yummy candy. Sorry, it's a little loud. We've got our meat prepping. So we're gonna do the New York steak strips with some sauteed green beans, and then probably a baked potato. Over here we have, I don't know what's going on. Let's go see. We have a boy and his daddy. Say hi, puppy. Hi, Ezra. I don't even want to know. And then over here, what are you watching? Oh, Our Planet, right? Yeah. Hi, Papa. Hi. He's so big. And then we have Remington, who this bag was, I had the fan on and the bag was moving and he got so scared. Oh, there he is. So he went to his spot. You silly dog. I forgot to show you the end product. I highly recommend this. It turned out so yummy. Okay, I've got my oil warmed up in my Le Creuset. I'm gonna take some of these green beans, which I've already washed. Now that the green beans are sauteing, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the potatoes. We'll do baked potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave on our little like potato option, and I don't know, it works magic, and the potatoes always come out perfect. So yeah, you like potatoes too? Yes, potatoes are the best. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Let's see how our green beans are doing. Ooh, they're looking good. I've got some almond slices in there. I'm gonna wait a few minutes before I go ahead and put in the minced garlic. And here it is. Look how good that looks. My husband grilled the meat. We got the sauteed green beans with garlic, and then we have a baked potato. We're taking a trip to Lowe's? Yeah? Is this the first place you ever came?
Sure is.
Yeah. It was the first place that we took him. The first outing you ever had. Let's go. See, he has to return, I don't know, something. And then we're gonna look at paint samples. See what we can find. We wanna paint our master bedroom a focal point, or the wall. So anyway, we'll take you guys away. Oh, there's so many. I don't even know what I want. I think I'm leaning more towards like warmer colors for the accent wall. There's just so many.
What colors are you looking for?
I want earthy tones. Our bedroom needs to be zen. Very relaxed, calm. Yeah! Yes! That's what we're looking for. We like greens, looking green or gray, earthy. Like this color palette right here. Grandma's linen.
Oh.
It's really pretty. Anyway. But I think we're good. I've got more than enough in here. So.
You never have more than enough.
Never. All right, you guys. I'm about to get started on this little man's nighttime routine. Get him in the bath, which is his favorite thing in the world, and then we're gonna get ready for church tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed kind of following me around for the day. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week in a new video. Bye. You want to close out the vlog? Say bye-bye. We'll see you next time. Say bye-bye.